Hi friends, today we're going to be reading a story called A Barn Full of Hats. This week we've been talking about how we can classify and categorize things. So today we're going to read a story about how some farm animals sort hats. Feel free to read along with me. One day, 4 farm animals found a box in the barn. They opened it up. What was inside? Hats, hats, and more hats. Look at all those hats! Who wants one? Asked Hen. I do, cried Horse. It's smart to wear a hat. A hat will keep the sun out of my eyes. Hen stuck her head in the box. She pulled out a flat, round hat. Try this hat, Hen told Horse. No, that hat is too flat, said Horse. A flat hat makes a good nest, clucked Hen. So she took the hat and she marched away. Pig pushed his head in the box. He pulled out a bright red hat. Put on this hat, Pig told Horse. No, that hat is too red, said Horse. A red hat looks fine, grunted Pig. So he put on the hat and he marched away. Cat poked her head in the box. She pulled out a thick yarn hat. Try this hat, Cat told Horse. No, that hat is too thick, said Horse. Thick yarn is nice, said Cat. I will take the whole hat apart so I can play with the yarn. She dragged the hat away. So many hats, but none for me, sighed Horse. Just then, Farmer Clark came into the barn. His hat was large and floppy. If only I had that hat, said Horse. That hat will shade my eyes. Horse grabbed the hat in his teeth. Farmer Clark laughed. He put the hat on Horse. It stayed on with no trouble. It fits well, Farmer Clark said. Horse trotted to the barnyard. Clip, clop. He held his head high. Yes, this is the hat for me, said Horse. All right, so let's think about this. How can we classify and categorize things that we wear, right? There are hats that we wear when it's really cold, right? Like a stocking cap, right? There are hats that we wear to keep the sun out of our eyes. We could also classify them by color. So if we have purple hats and red hats, right? There's lots of different ways that we could classify the things that we wear or hats that we wear. All right, let's talk about point of view. Point of view is the way that a story character thinks or feels. All right, so if we're thinking about the horse, right, he thinks that it's smart to wear a hat, right? In his point of view, he wants something that shades his eyes from the what? Yeah, the sun, right? All right, and Hen, right? Our point of view for Hen is that she wants to use the hat as a what? A nest. That's our clue, right? So her point of view is she is worried about finding things that could help with her nest, good materials to help build her nest. All right, and then we have Cat, right? And our clue is that Cat likes the hat made of thick yarn, right? And why does she like that? She wants to play with the yarn from the hat because cats like to play with yarn. All right, feel free to stop the video, go back and reread it with me. See you next time. Bye.